It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.